This was specified in the textbook in the page number 88, which is unsolved exercise. Here we are solving this problem because in the upcoming examples here what we are facing the problem is we are getting the same values for the same attribute. So what is the criteria we need to choose, on which basis we need to choose? That's a main agenda to solve this problem. Let's see one by one what will be the cases and how it is going to be solved. This is the question given in the textbook. I have penned it down and I have made some markings in order to understand easily, not to get confused with all the values, because all the values will be low, medium, high, yes or no, all will be of same type. Out of these we need to find out this value and what is the decision for all these values. That is, if city size is medium, average income is medium, local investors is no, LOHA awareness is medium, what is the decision we need to take? This is the thing we need to find out by drawing the decision tree. First, as we all know, we need to determine the root node of the tree. To determine the root node of the tree, we must take 4 table columns, that is attribute, rules, errors and true errors. When it comes to attribute, rules, errors and true errors, there are 4 attributes, right? That is city size, average income, local investors, low awareness. Let's see it one by one. City size. We have 3 parameters in that. That is, one is big, medium and small. I think I have already marked here, you can see there are star marks which indicates big. So there are 1, 2, 3 big values, of which we shall see what is the decision for one big value. For 1, yes, big, yes 1, yes 2 and no 1. So we shall take a count which is higher, like yes 1 and yes 2. There is no chance of counting the no value because already 2 are yes out of 3. So we shall write which is the maximum value. So yes is a maximum value, so I have written it as 2. And here in the error column you need to write which is low. That is, if in big there are only 2 columns, that is yes or no. If big tends to yes, then other 1 value will be obviously no. So we need to write those values in the error column. So let us see another example by taking medium. I think there are 5 medium, out of which, let's see, no 1, no 2, no 3 and no 4. There are 4 no values. Here we have written 4. If out of 5 medium values 4 are no, obviously the last one will be an yes. Okay. And again when it comes to small, there are 1, 2, 3 and 4 small values, out of which no 1, no 2, no 3. There are 3 no values. I have written it as 3 no values, out of which only 1 will be yes. See, if you are unable to check it out whether I am doing right or no, the cross verification method is done and there itself. You see here. Now we can check for small parameter how many yes will be there. By that we will come to know whether our answer is correct or no. Let's check. Small, it's no. And small, it's no. It is yes here. Only 1 yes. So we have written it as correct. This true error is being detected by summing up all these values. That is, denominator by itself and numerator by itself. 4, 5, 3 is 12, 1, 2, 1 plus 1 plus 1 is 3. So true error will be the summation of all these error values. Now coming to the average income. Let's see one by one very quickly. Average income, we have 3 values, that is high, medium and low. I have written it already. High value, there's a circle here, so it's easy for us to detect. There are 6 high values, out of which yes 1, yes 2, yes 3, yes 3, yes 4. There are 4 yes values, out of which 4 is yes, is no. So as I've already mentioned, these values is for your understanding purpose. You can write it in your exams or may not. This is the must values to be correct, and this is a must values which needs to be correct, and these are optional values. If you people want for your understanding, you can write it. So we were seeing average income, yes, medium. When it comes to medium, the star mark 5 medium values, out of which no 1, no 2, no 3, no 4, no 5. All are no's. So no yes here. So let's write it as 5, and we shouldn't write here 5 by 5 because when we write 5 by 5, obviously it gets cancelled and the value remains 1. So we don't want in this value, we want it in the form of fractions in this type. So we are not writing in this format. Better, if there are 5 no's, that means there are 0 yes data. So we shall write there are 0 yes in that. That will be more clear for us to get to the next level. So for next, coming to the low values, there is only one low value, which is no. So I have written only no, and which is 1, as I have already told, 0 by 1, because there are no yes values here. Summing up all this, we get 2 by 12. Local investors, in the same way, we have 6 yes values, out of which yes 1, yes 1, yes 2, yeah, 2 are yes, I think all are no, yeah, all are no and 2 are yes, that have already been written. Coming to the no value, 1, 2, let's check it out like this way, no 1, no 2, no 3 and no 4. 4 no values are there, out of which 2 are yes, I have written here. So 4 by 12 will be the value. Coming to the low awareness, we have high, medium and low. The ticked ones are high values. There are 5 high values, out of which yes 1, yes 2, yes 3, 3 high values and 2 no values, out of 5. And medium, coming to medium, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5 medium values are there. No 1, no 2, no 3, no 4 no values are there, out of which only 1 is yes value. Low, there are 2 low values, out of which 2 are no. So 2 are no. Yeah, another thing, hint is, if you're going correct, if you want to recheck if it's correct or not, we must say that if these values 12, 12, 12 and 12, the same denominator values are occurring, then what you're doing is absolutely right. If you get 12 here and if you get 14 here, it's impossible, you couldn't get, because there are only 12, you get here 13, right? So that will be the cross verifying method if you're going wrong. Now in step 3, we need to determine, we have already determined the root node, that is, out of these 4 values, which is the least value, we can see here 2 by 12. So 2 by 12 will be the root node, that is average income will be the root node. So we have determined the root node in this step. Let's write here average income is our root node, out of which there are that low, medium and high. Let's check what is a low value and high value. Low, 1 no and 5 no. So no value will be 1 and no value will be 5. Since we don't know, we are in an ambiguous situation to decide whether what is the value for yes, because yes we have 4 and no we have 2. Let's write this value in our table itself, 2 by 6 itself. Okay, these two tables are right. Now let's see what it is in this table. If we look into the question now, high value will be 2 by 6. We need to again decide the root node for this tree, not for this one. We have already determined the root node. First we need to simplify this and write down another decision tree, which brings us to the conclusion of finding the program. So now average income and high, we need to choose the values from the table, that is average income wherever it is high. Okay, I think there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 values. These 6 values, only these 6, not other than this. What I have marked here, only these values must be penned down here. For example, I'll show you what I have written. Let's see, there is one high value, big yes, high yes. Yeah, in this way we need to write all these 6 values here, which have already been written. Now we need to simplify this tree, gives us the future subnodes of the tree. When it comes to city size, clusters, low awareness and decision, there is no need of writing average income because it has already been high for all these cases. So no need of writing average income for this table. I have already written here there are 2 big values, out of which 2 are yes. Let's write it here. There big will be assigned to yes, out of which only 2 values are there and 2 are also yes. So 0 by 2 will be our error value. When it comes to medium, 3 medium, out of which yes. So 2 no's are there. No are 2 values and yes. S is only one value out of 3. Small is only one value which is assigned to yes, that is 1. So 0 by 1. 1 by 6. In local investors, there are 3 yes values. Yes, yes. So yes will be assigned to yes with value of 2. Then no value will be 1 out of 3. And it's no. And there are 1, 2, 3 no values out of which yes, yes, no. So no will be assigned to yes, which is a value of 2 out of which 1 by 3. Sorry, I have written it wrong here. Yes, 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 1, 2. That means here we have 1. So 2 by 6. I have already said there must be same because there are 6 values here, those 6. Low has awareness. There are 1, 2, 3 high values out of which 1 yes, 2 yes, 3 yes. Absolutely there are 3 yes values, so no doubt in that. So 0 by 3 and 2, which out of which 1 is yes and 1 is we need to write. In this case we need to consider which comes first. So medium is coming with yes first, so we need to write yes as 1 by 2. Yeah, and low is only one value, that is no. 1 and 0 by 3. Yeah, 1 by 6. Now here this is a unique case which wasn't described or solved in our first example in our textbook, so I have chosen this problem. What we need to do here is let's see which is the lowest value. 1 by 6, 1 by 6, both are same. So what we need to choose now? This is the question comes to our mind, right? What we can do is I have written a note here. We can just read that. If there are same true error for one or more attribute, the condition we need to consider is to check the occurrences of yes in the redundant sizes. Okay, according to that, here we need to check the occurrences of yes. What is the occurrences of yes in city size and Loha awareness? In Loha awareness we have 3 yes, and in in city size we have 3 yes, and here we have 4 yes. So let's consider city size, because when it comes to the priority, 1 by 6 first priority. If we consider Loha awareness, medium will be yes, as city size and Loha awareness have the same value. We can split the attribute, so we can take either city size or Loha awareness. The conclusion here is, here medium is no and medium is yes, right? Here big is yes, so we are taking it as city size itself according to this rule. The same thing should be written here, whereas average income, which is low, medium, high, with the values no equals to 1, no equals to 5. Here we need to write it as city size. In city size we have 3, right? Big, medium and small, out of which big is 0 by 2, small is 0 by 2. So let's write it as big, medium and small. Big value is yes is equals to 2.0. You can write it as 2 or 2.0, anything is same. And small value is assigned to yes, and which is 1.0. Medium value, the value is 1 by 3. Let's jot it down in the same way. So it's indicating that there are 3 values. Now let's see what we need to take. What are these parameters which we need to consider. Here in city size medium, right? In city size medium values are nothing but this one. 1, 2, 3. Here we need to take this very carefully, because we need to see average income which is high with a city size medium. So let's check average income. No, let's start with average income which is high. High, we have higher, but it's big. High, medium value we got 1. So let's write it down. Medium, so no need to write that. Yes, medium and yes. Okay, and another thing we have done here, when you have high, it's medium. So yes, low, no. Yes, low, no. And another last one will be when you're high, it's medium here. When you're high, it's medium here. So no, medium, no. No, medium, no. So this will be the sub table of which we need to be considered. So I have already written, we need to find the notes for this once again. We have only two attributes here, local investors, low high investors. Let's check it out very easy. In we have two yes, one each. So yes will be assigned to yes with one value. So 1 by 2. No, we have only no because no. So 1 no 0 by 1. So 1 by 3. Medium, there are two medium values out of which one is yes and one is no. Obviously this will be yes, out of which there are two values. When it is low, it is low, not no. Low value will be no, out of which only one. So 1 by 3. Check out the important note here. Since both the attributes have same true values as well as splitting values, so consider any one among the two. That is, the true error is same, the error is same, and the number of yes and no's are also same. What we need to be considered, whether local investors or lower awareness. This is the question that rises into our mind when this type of problems are given. So let's go according to the priority. First we have local investors, then we have Lohas. So let's take Loha investors first and then solve the problem, whether we are getting to solve this question according to what they have given. The same will be written here, average income. Now for medium, let's take as local investors, which has two values, yes or no. Local investors, we have two values, out of which yes is 1 and no is also 1. Okay, this will be the tree. Let's check what will be the final equation for this one. City size is medium. City size is medium. Okay, average income doesn't come into picture now. So let's take from city size. When city size is medium, local investors is no. What will be the value? No. If some people have taken this node as Loha awareness, you will get medium here and low here, right? Medium will be yes and low will be no. In the same way, you can determine this value. Okay. We can't, if we take the average the answer, because you need to any of these columns and then check for other columns whether it's satisfying or not. This is how we can solve the decision tree problem with we have a same values like this according to the priority or according to the splitting rate or according to the true error values.